What's up, guys? Welcome back. Here's our next project. Shower enclosure conversion. Rip the tub out. We're gonna make this a walk-in shower with a curb, large format, 2 foot by 4 foot tiles on the wall. It's gonna look great. This is gonna be a 30-minute demo. Fiberglass, not a problem. Let's get to work. Here we go, guys. We are working in a very small space, but making it happen. Framing out the niche now. Bottom plate, top plate, necessary. You have to frame out your niche, and then we're going to install the niche, install the backer board. Valve is in. We're going to run Kerdi membrane over this here. Kerdi board up to this corner bead. We don't like to rip out the corner bead. We just don't think it's necessary, as long as you correctly waterproof it with the membrane. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we're going to modify this niche to accept the size of the tile. So here's our opening. We don't want any notch cuts, so we want to eliminate notch cuts. We will make the niche minus ½ inch board, about 24 inches wide, so we're gonna cut the middle of it. Install some board in the middle and band it so that it is 100% waterproof. And yeah, let's show you how we do this. All right, so here's our curb. We get the big 6-inch Schluter curb where we cut it down so that we can have 4 curbs. We install a little bit of board with screws. It's a much smaller, more low profile curb than a big, large, wide 6-inch curb. We like the look of it, and so do our clients. All right, guys, we are getting our layout for our pan tile. It looks like we're gonna have even tiles. We're gonna take about a 1/4 inch off the left and about a 1/4 inch off to the right, which is going to be a nice symmetrical shower pan with our tileable drain. All right, guys, today is tile. We begin tile, 2 foot by 4 foot. We have our snapper, 36 inch, as well as the D36000 for our very large tiles. Let's quickly show you. So here we are, subtle veins and movement. In order to cut these big tiles, you need a big tile cutter. Let's get to sticking, mix up some thin sets, and hopefully complete 90% of the shower today.